Hi flower fans, I'm going to show you how we harvest our tulips here at the farm today. I've got my trusty crate, I've got my trusty pitchfork, and here we go. So first off, when we're harvesting, it's important to harvest at the right stage. We like to harvest early in the morning and when there's a touch of color in our tulips. This would be a perfect example and specimen of a tulip that we are going to harvest. Now our tulips are set into trench and planted about 4 to 5 inches deep. We're going to use a pitchfork and we're going to actually dig the entire tulip out as best we can with the bulb attached. This area is going to get replanted shortly thereafter with a succession of plants. So here we go. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to step on my pitchfork here, and we basically want to just rock it back and forth and just give them a little loosening up, and then pull the pitchfork back up. Set my pitchfork aside, and I'm going to carefully come in here and gently lift out our tulips, just like that. For the most part, after you have pulled out your tulips, sometimes they'll break, but for the most part, the bulb will be attached. We're just going to gently lift and shake all these tulips out. Perfect.
Now, harvesting tulips here is usually a family affair. After pitching some dirt and getting our tulips out of the ground and into crates, the twins like to give our tulips a quick blast of water and rinse off the dirt. We just simply prop the crates up against one of the flower beds. We then haul our loot back up to our work area where we can either pack up our tulips for upright refrigeration or process them outright and drop them into buckets of fresh water. We like to add a pump of Floralife Express 200 to our water, as the product helps our blooms to not only drink, but it also gives them a slow drip of nutrition. It also helps to keep the water clean as the blooms rest.
I'm Charmaine Turbow here at Turbow Farms in Los Altos, California. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more episodes on how to garden microflower farm on your property, and subscribe if you like us. Thanks.